In this demo, we're going to see how M365 Cowork brings together Fabric IQ and Work IQ to move from data insights to action. We start by asking Cowork to summarize the key trends in a Power BI finance report. This is where Fabric IQ comes in. We can reason over trusted enterprise data from Fabric and Power BI, identify the important business signals, and turn the report into a clear summary. We can see the key issues quickly. Revenue is relatively stable, but operating income and margins are under pressure. Next, we can go deeper and explore the data and understand what's driving the operating income weakness. Now we're moving from summary to investigation, and Cowork keeps the analysis grounded in Fabric IQ. We can explore the issue through follow-up questions while staying connected to trusted data and business definitions. We can see where the pressure is coming from, how it's evolved, and which regions or segments need attention. But the data only tells us part of the story. So next, we're going to ask Cowork to bring in the surrounding business context. This is where Work IQ comes in. We can connect the Power BI insights with the context of everyday work, like emails, Teams conversations, documents, meetings, and more. Now, we're going beyond the numbers themselves and connecting the data to the business activity behind it. Now the analysis becomes more complete when we combine Fabric IQ with Work IQ, and together we can see that it's not just that operating income is under pressure, but what business activity may be contributing to it. And once we have the insights and context, we can move to actions. We'll ask Cowork to draft a leadership follow-up and set up a cost review with the right team. And we don't have to copy our findings manually, search for context across different work artifacts, or identify stakeholders. No context switching. Cowork helps the analysis, context, and actions all connected. From there, we can extend the same flow into additional artifacts. We ask Cowork to create a recurring digest so the team can stay updated on the key metrics over time. This turns the one-time analysis into an ongoing operating rhythm. Instead of checking the report manually, we can bring the important updates into the flow of work. And we can also ask Cowork to create a meeting-ready PowerPoint presentation. And the value is not just that Cowork can generate a deck. The value is that the presentation is grounded in the same connected context, all the way from Fabric IQ, finding the business drivers, to connecting to Work IQ and the business context. So to summarize, with Fabric IQ, we understand the signal in the data. With Work IQ, we understand the business context behind it. And with M365 Cowork, we can turn that data understanding into the next step,